The LG V20 user here, and today in the video put the LG V60 ThinQ 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the LG V60 ThinQ is not heard at Verizon Prepaid. This one's been out for a year now, but now this one has made it to Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys want to get this one on Verizon Prepaid, it is now available for $949.99. No contracts, of course. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage, and you have two color options: classic white and classic blue. Personally, the classic white looks better in my personal opinion. So yeah. So here is the LG V60. So pretty nice. You have a little nod stage with your pretty front facing camera. Power button on the right side. Right button on the left side, along with your view assistant key. On the back of the LG V60 is your camera setup. You guys have I think it's 3 cameras, 3 or 4 cameras, I'm not really sure. But you do get dual LED flash. There's a Verizon 5G logo and the LG logo there on the back. I think it's 3 cameras, but I could be wrong. It's either 3 or 4 cameras. The left side of the V60 has your micro SD and some card slot, along with your volume keys and your Google Assistant key on the left. Pretty cool there. Then the right side has your power button, and you have your in-display fingerprint sensor. So your fingerprint sensor is right here. It's in-display fingerprint. So yeah. So the LG V60 has 18.75 days of standby time, 38.41 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel camera on the rear, 3.6 inches in width, 6.67 inches in height. There. Says here, share more of what you love with the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. Just sleep from and ready for 5G content creation like never before. Snap more photos with the 64 megapixel camera and record videos in stunning 8K video. Log like a pro using voice bokeh, a cutting edge audio feature that lets your voice stand out with surprising clarity, even in noisy environments. Or immerse yourself in your favorite 4K content on a large 6.8-inch OLED full vision display. Share more and do more with the power of Verizon's ultra-fast 5G ultra wideband network and the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. Ready, set, go, 5G. Share your life as vividly as you expect with the 5G ready LG V60 ThinQ 5G, outfitted with the latest chipset technology and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. You can stream, share, and browse at lightning fast speeds. Experience everything Verizon's 5G ultra wideband has to offer on the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. So y'all guys to say that they just have the dual screen feature there. I don't know if it comes with the dual screen, or hopefully it comes with the dual screen feature or for the prepaid version. So I'm sure it comes with the dual screen feature. I'm sure it comes with it, because that would be the reason why you'd be getting this one, because of its dual screen capabilities. So yeah. Cinematic display. Watch your favorite 5G content on a nearly edge-to-edge full-vision cinematic display. The massive 6.8-inch OLED glass display lets you enjoy more of your favorite content in striking clarity, vibrant color, and beautiful contrast. And with 5G speed, you can enjoy high-quality content even faster. capture and share more. Shoot and share all your Instagram-worthy moments with the 13-megapixel ultra-wide and 64-megapixel rear cameras. Both rear cameras have state-of-the-art resolution technology for brighter photos in low light conditions and sharp photo images even when enlarged. And when you want to snap a selfie, the 10-megapixel front camera will capture the perfect shot for all your social media goals. So, not too bad. Pro quality video. Shoot shake-free, super stable video without missing a beat. Capture all your special moments in high quality, striking detail with 8K video. And if you want to shoot longer, if you want to shoot long after the sun goes down, then simply switch on night mode. Filter out the noise. Separate the background noise from what really matters. Voice bouquet technology lets you minimize background noise and amplify only the voice you want to hear. So that's a great feature as well. So voice bouquet is a great feature. So yeah. 5G speeds all day long. Since the smart battery can handle all the demands of ultra-fast 5G content and still go all day. And do more, get more done with the battery that won't quit before you do. And the LG V60 has a 5,000 mAh battery inside of it, so you actually get great battery life from this one here. Multitask like a master. For those who want to get more done, simply pop the LG V60 ThinQ 5G into the dual screen case. Use the second screen to text a friend while you watch a video or update your fantasy football on one screen and check stats on the other. The dual screen case lets you quickly and easily toggle between apps so you can do more, see more, and experience more. You will have to get the dual screen case separately. That's like $100, so not too bad. So when you guys get the phone, you guys want to get the LG V60 itself. But if you guys want the dual screen case, you guys have to pay for that yourself. I think it's like $100 for that dual screen case. So yeah, I thought it was included, but apparently it's not. You'd have to pay extra for it, so do keep it in mind. So anyways, the specs on the LG V60 are pretty good. Of course, this was the LG's flagship phone. This is the LG's flagship phone from last year. So you guys will get LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 speeds from coast to coast. One device which lets you use it in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. Standby time 18.75 days, usage time 38.41 hours, 64 megapixel camera on the rear, 10 megapixel front facing camera. The width is 3.6 inches, the height is 6.67 inches, the weight of the LG V60 is 7.69 ounces. I don't know if that's with the dual screen case or not. I'm sure with the dual screen case, it's gonna be a lot heavier, so they'll probably factor in the dual screen case there. So yeah. Screen size 6.8 inches, Full HD plus OLED full vision display. That's 2025 by 9. That's 2460 by 1080. 5,000 mAh battery and return on board, so that's pretty nice. You get 80 watts of RAM and you get 120 gigabytes of ROM, so pretty good. Two color options are classic blue or classic white. I think the white version looks better in my personal opinion. So yeah. This is star rating, Serenade, network, Wi-Fi dual band, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11, ABGN AC and AX processor. Snapdragon 865 octa-core, so last year's processor, so not too bad, so pretty good for him still in 2021. And also has HD voice, of course, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection, so pretty nice there. And if you guys need help with the LG V60 ThinQ, Verizon has you covered with that. Says that Verizon Wireless supports helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So pretty great tool there. So what comes in the box is the LG V60 ThinQ 5G smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, embedded with a modern battery, USB-C charger, SIM ejection pin, quick reference guide, and product safety and warranty brochure there. So yeah. So yeah. So there's the LG V60 for Verizon Prepaid is now available for $949.99. Make contracts, of course. I was surprised this one is still $1,000 almost a year later. But I'm sure when the LG V70 comes out, I'm sure that this one will go down in price. So if you guys want to get this one for Verizon Prepaid, you guys want to pay $949.99 for it. Make contracts, of course. So definitely worth picking them up. You know. So yeah, you do get two color options: classy white and classy blue. Personally, the classy white is better. It's better on the phone. So that's just my personal opinion. For $949, you're getting a lot. But this one, they're getting a lot of features. They're getting flagship specs on there. Even though this one's a year old, this one is still doing pretty well in 2021. You guys can have the dual screen case, but you want to pay extra for that. I thought it came with the dual screen case, but apparently it don't. I'm guessing like the dual screen case is I'm guessing the dual screen case is $100. So yeah. So if you guys do get the LG V60, get the dual screen cases. That would be the reason why you would get this screen, because of the dual screen case. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you guys want to get in your old flagship on Verizon Prepaid, the LG V60 is the phone for you guys to check out. I wish the price was a bit lower than what it is now, but it is what it is, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and let me out a lot. Peace and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.